are pleased to show you the 2020 Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid. The sleek-looking Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid offers a nice quiet ride while providing ample comfort. The Ioniq was built with efficiency in mind, but it will still give you a sporty driving experience. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, keyless ignition, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, electronic stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.